What if I told you that by simply rubbing a natural oil onto a specific area before going to bed, you could improve blood circulation and feel their torn of your morning reflexes in just 7 days? It might sound unbelievable, but in fact, many men over the age of 60 have shared noticeable changes just by consistently performing one small habit each night before sleep. This is a method that requires no medication, no cost, and yet helps restore the masculinity that has gradually faded with age. According to a study from the Journal of Traditional Indian Medicine, castor oil, when applied to the lower abdomen, can stimulate blood circulation and relax smooth muscles and is especially helpful in supporting intimate function in older men. And in today's video, Dr. Laura will guide you on how to locate the exact area to apply the oil, the best time after to do it, and a 7-day plan to help you observe your body's transformations step by step. Especially don't skip the beginning of this video because I'll reveal the secret area that many people tend to apply incorrectly, which leads to disappointing results. Before we get into the main content, let me know a bit more about you. Where are you watching from? Leave your answer in the comments section below. I'd be very happy to know who I'm accompanying on this journey. And if this is your first time visiting the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss upcoming scientific, safe and easy to follow solutions tailored for men over 60. Now, let's explore the most critical area for applying this oil and why it can have such a profound impact on a man's intimate health after just 1 week of consistent use. The secret spot: applying oil for optimal intimate function. Many people, when hearing about using oil to improve intimate health, immediately think of applying it directly onto the private area. But in reality, this is not only ineffective, it may even cause irritation if the wrong type of oil is used. The secret lies in a completely different region. This is actually the place that controls blood flow to the private area. The area you need to target is the lower abdomen and both sides of the groin, where many large blood vessels concentrate to supply the malreproductive organs. Specifically, this area relates to the internal iliac artery, a major branch that directly delivers blood to the private area. When circulation in this area improves, intimate responsiveness will also become noticeable. Additionally, this region lies close to lymph nodes and then nerve roots responsible for pelvic reflexes. Applying oil here not only warms the skin, but may also stimulate smooth muscles and improve vascular tone, thereby supporting more efficient blood flow. Especially at night when the body shifts into recovery mode, gentle stimulation with castor oil becomes even more effective, helping relax and regenerate the surrounding tissues. Unlike regular massage aimed at muscular relaxation, rubbing oil onto the lower abdomen each night is like sending a gentle signal to the circulatory system, encouraging blood flow, expanding capillaries, and easing tension around the pelvic area. This is the foundation for enhancing natural intimate ability without the need for drugs or external devices. However, identifying the correct location is only the first step to make this method truly effective. You need to choose the right type of oil and apply it with the proper technique, which I will guide you through in the next section. Why castor oil? A natural oil that stimulates blood flow in unexpected ways. Not every type of oil can safely and effectively help restore intimate function. Castor oil, not only well known in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory and cleansing properties, but also recognized by modern research for its ability to enhance circulation and stimulate smooth muscles when applied topically. The main reason castor oil is chosen lies in a special compound called renoleic acid. This is a rare fatty acid that can penetrate deeply through the skin and activate prostaglandin receptors in soft tissue, helping to widen blood vessels and increase local circulation. Unlike oils that only moisturize the skin surface, castor oil penetrates deep into the peripheral vascular system, which is crucial for improving intimate reflexes. In addition, castor oil has a common G effect on the nerves in the lower abdominal region, helping to reduce mechanical tension in the pelvic area. This is especially beneficial for older men, as the connection between the nervous and circulatory systems tends to weaken with age. Compared to more common vegetable oils like coconut or olive oil, castor oil has a higher viscosity and retains heat longer, creating a lasting warming effect which supports better circulation and helps reduce muscle tightness in the lower abdomen. Besides choosing the right oil, knowing how to use it from dosage, timing dosage technique is what truly determines the actual effectiveness. In the next section, I'll show you how to perform a simple oil rubbing routine at home that anyone can follow. How to use castor oil properly. One wrong step, and results may diminish. Many men, when hearing about rubbing oil to support intimate function, think that just applying it to the skin is enough. But in reality, even a single wrong step from the timing, the amount of oil you settle, the way you massage can make their results almost non-existent, or even counterproductive if the skin becomes irritated or circulation gets disrupted. First, you need to clean the lower abdomen and groin area with warm water, a warm towel to open the pores and allow the oil to absorb better. Then place about 3 to 5 drops of castor oil into the palm of your hand. Rub gently to warm it up and then apply it to the skin. Use your palm to make circular motions in a clockwise direction for 3 to 5 minutes, focusing in the lower abdomen and the groin area. Many major blood vessels are concentrated. To boost effectiveness, you can apply a warm compress using a towel or heat pack for about 5 minutes right after rubbing. This helps maintain heat at the site, supports deeper absorption of the oil, and activates widening receptors under the skin. The best time to do this is in the evening, about 30 minutes before bedtime, when the body enters a recovery state and tissue regeneration processes start to accelerate. One important note: avoid using too much oil, as the high viscosity of castor oil can clog pores if not cleaned properly. And especially don't forget to test it on a small area off skin if it's your first time using it to make sure your body is compatible with this oil. With these simple steps, you can establish a nightly habit that not only helps you relax, but also creates right conditions for your body to restore intimate function naturally. And to maximize the benefits, you shouldn't stop at just rubbing the seed. Let's stop at just rubbing the seed oil. Combining it with your nighttime biological rhythm, proper sleep habits, and the right sleeping posture also plays a crucial role. That's something many people overlook. That's exactly what Teal be sharing with you in the next section. If you're still watching this video up to this point, thank you for patiently listening until now. I truly appreciate it. Please leave the number 3 in the comment section below so I know I'm not talking to myself. Even if you've applied the oil to the correct area, used the right type, and followed proper technique, the results might still not be noticeable if your body isn't in the right state of rest. Many men often overlook this seemingly simple factor, but your nightly sleep habits actually play a major role in your body's ability to restore natural intimate function. First of all, you should avoid eating dinner too late or consuming stimulants like alcohol or coffee after 7 p.m., as these factors can easily disrupt the parasympathetic system, which is responsible for regulating deep sleep and blood vessel relaxation. When your body is in a state of tension, no matter how often you apply, the oil circulation will still be limited. Next is your sleeping position. Sleeping on your back with a thin pillow placed under your knees not only helps reduce pressure on the lower back, but also improves blood flow from the lower body back to the heart. This position is especially beneficial for the pelvic area, where blood vessels supplying the private area are concentrated. Additionally, you can incorporate a few slow, deep breaths before sleeping to help the body fully relax. This helps stabilize your heart rate, gently lower your blood pressure, and bring your body into a natural state of recovery. creating ideal conditions for castor oil to work effectively throughout the night. Preparing your sleep environment trobally is like creating a healing space where the body can rest requilin, hormones and intimate pteroflexes in a sustainable way. And when Beth's external application of oil and internal rest are combined properly, their results will come gently but clearly. But with any health-relate method, not everyone is equally suited. There will be some cases that request special caution when using castor oil. And that's exactly what you need to understand before applying it long-term. Although castor oil is considered a gentle medicinal oil and fairly safe for most users, that doesn't mean everyone can apply it without consideration. In reality, there are certain groups of people who need to be especially careful before including castor oil in their daily routine, particularly when applying it regularly to the lower abdominal area. First, if you are recurrently undergoing treatment with blood thinners or dilator medications, be cautious. Castor oil may contribute to outer widening. And when combined with drugs that have similar effects, this could cause blood pressure to drop low or increase the risk of sudden low blood pressure during nighttime rest. Second, those with sensitive skin or a history of allergic reactions to essential oils should test it on osmolaria first, such as the wrist or inner forearm. If you experience redness, itching, or rashes after 12 hours, absolutely do not apply it to the lower abdomen. For those dealing with dermatological issues in the lower body area, such as dermatitis, eczema, fungal infections, or open wounds, rubbing oil may worsen the condition or lead to infection. Always make sure the skin area where you apply the oil is clean, dry, and free of damage before using this method. Especially in cases where a person is recovering from abdominal surgery, has an inguinal hernia, or a has liver or biliary conditions. It's best consult your physician before oihle any type of oil to this area, including castor oil. Understanding your own safety boundaries will help you proactively protect your health and achieve long-term results rather than encountering unwanted reactions due to carelessness. Once you've ensured safety and established a suitable routine, you can begin building a scientifically sound 7-day castor oil application plan. One that's free from pressure, not overwhelming, but still delivers noticeable results. And I'll be sharing full details of that right after this. After understanding the correct area to apply the oil, how to use castor oil properly along with all the necessary safety notes. Now, is the time you need a specific roadmap? Many people expect results after just 1 or 2 days. Pity. TBD needs time to adjust and gradual respond. That's why a 7-day plan is designed to align with the biologic rhythm of men over 60. Just long and auto-initiate improvement while avoiding fatigue or psychological pressure. From day 1, 2, 3, the main goal is target familiar and activate the circulatory region. All you need to apply the oil in the evening consistently each day combined with proper sleep posture and a few minutes of slow breathing. This is the foundational phase helping your body begin to feel warmth in the lower abdomen, deeper sleep, and a more relaxed spirit every morning. From day 4 to 5, the body starts transition into the response phase. Some may notice increased sensation in the lower region or the return of the morning reflex these and been felt for a while. Don't expect any dramatic transformation. Just pay attention to the subtle signs like a more relaxed mood, fewer sleep disruptions, or feeling more alert in the morning. By day 6 and 7, I've done correctly. This is when you'll start noticing clearer differences. The body feels reawakened. The pelvic area becomes less tense. Nighttime urination reduces and the sense of masculinity is restored in a very natural, unforced way. Throughout these 7 days, you don't need to change much in your lifestyle, just 10 to 15 minutes each night. Done it consistently and sincerely, and the results may surprise you. Dear friend, intimate health is not something that simply disappears with age. It is a me thing that can be restored if you know how to listen to your body and act at the right time. Just one small change each evening can create long-lasting positive effects on your circulation, intimate reflexes, and the confidence that is already within you. Don't wait until things become serious to start caring about your masculine strength. Simple. Consistent actions like applying oil the right way, sleeping in the right posture, and taking care of yourself with patience are the keys to maintaining your vitality naturally and sustainably. After applying the full 7-day plan and noticing the first changes like improvidirculation, deeper sleep, or the return-off morning response, this is the critical stage to shift from activation to stabilization. Many men over 60 often have a mistaken. When they feel the body is recovering better, they pause, rest, and think, that's enough. But in reality, effects will quickly fade without appropriate maintenance strategy. I often tell my patients, true recovery doesn't come from short-term bursts, but from simple actions repeated weekly, like rebuilding a strong foundation for an old house. Here's a gentle, easy toply maintenance routine. Pelvic massage 2 to 3 times a week on fixed evenings like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. This spaced rhythm helps maintain circulation without overstimulation. Drink alkaline water, for example, with baking soda if suitable for you, 3 mornings a week. Prioritizing days with a high-protein or low-carb diet to balance. Internal pH. Increase light activity, such as walking after breakfast or in the evening. Even just 10-minute exercises boost blood flow to the lower body and reproductive organs. Get enough sleep and avoid prolonged stress, as these 2 factors directly impact the hormonal balance in older men. You don't need to follow it strictly, but you don't need consistency. Let your body develop its own biological rhythm, and you'll be surprised to see intimate health maintained long-term without relying on medication or artificial aids. If today's sharing brought you value, bleed, leggy, or even a spark of hope, I sincerely hope you'll continue to walk with me in the upcoming videos. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any valuable health tips made especially for men after 60. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. Wishing you strength, resilience, and vibrant energy every day. See you in the next video.